Welcome to our guide on effective internet searching. Mastering search engines can greatly enhance your research skills. We'll explore strategies to help you find more relevant and useful information online, improving your overall research outcomes. To refine your search results, use specific keywords related to your topic. For example, searching best hiking trails in Colorado is more effective than just hiking, providing more targeted and relevant results. Quotation marks are useful for finding exact matches. By enclosing phrases like climate change effects in quotes, you ensure the search engine retrieves results containing the complete phrase, enhancing search accuracy. Advanced search options can further refine your results. Many search engines allow filtering by date, location, or content type. For instance, Google's advanced search can help you find recent publications from the last month. Boolean operators like and, Oregon, and not are powerful tools for refining searches. Using cats and dogs finds results with both terms, while cats not dogs excludes dogs, tailoring your search to your needs. Analyzing search results is crucial. Skim through snippets and URLs to assess relevance and credibility before clicking. Checking the URL can help determine if the source is reputable, ensuring you access quality information. Once you access information, evaluate its accuracy and reliability. Cross-referencing with trusted sources is essential to confirm validity, ensuring the information you gather is both accurate and dependable. By applying these search strategies, you can navigate search engines more effectively, saving time and improving research quality. Thank you for joining us, and we hope these tips enhance your online research skills.